In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Steam slow disk usage. If you've noticed that Steam downloads are much slower than expected, or that disk usage stays unusually low while installing or updating games, there are a few settings you can adjust that often resolve the problem. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several simple troubleshooting steps that can help improve Steam's download performance and overall responsiveness. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer by launching it from your desktop or Start menu. Once Steam opens, sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Enter your account credentials, keeping your login information secure, and click Sign In to access the main Steam interface. After you're logged in, click the Steam menu in the top left corner of the application and choose Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, select the Download section from the menu on the left. Within the Download settings, locate the option labeled Clear Download Cache. Click on it, and when Steam asks for confirmation, approve the action. Clearing the download cache removes temporary download data that may have become outdated or corrupted over time, which can often resolve download-related performance issues. Once the process is complete, Steam will ask you to restart the application. Allow it to restart, then sign back into your account. After logging in again, return to the Download section in Settings. This time, locate the Download Region setting and choose a server that's closest to your current location. Connecting to a nearby download server can improve download speeds and reduce interruptions during game installations and updates. While you're still in the Settings window, also check whether a Steam Client update is available. Running the latest version of Steam ensures you have the newest performance improvements, bug fixes, and compatibility updates that may help resolve slow disk usage issues. Next, open File Explorer and go to This PC. Then open your Windows C drive. Navigate to the Program Files x86 folder. Open the Steam folder and locate the App Cache folder. Delete the App Cache folder, as Steam will automatically recreate it the next time it launches. Finally, restart Steam one more time. After it opens, try downloading or updating a game to see if disk usage and download performance have improved. In many cases, these steps help eliminate common causes of slow disk usage and restore smoother performance. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.